Hello all, welcome to Billionaire. It's been a long time since I recorded the video. I recorded last video on Sunday, that's on Bank Nifty. So this is the Nifty video to get the details on Nifty's next move in this week. So it's already two sessions over in this week and only two sessions remaining. So I wanted to give a little bit brief moves of Nifty. So tomorrow it's an expiry, 11th of August 2022. So there are only two sessions left now in this series. After that, we have 15th August holiday on Monday, and we will open on 16th August. So yeah, it will be, you could say, a long weekend, and we will open on 17th, and we'll in next week let's see what is going to happen. So with Elliott Wave indicators and price action, even with option chain, we'll try to analyze the move for the next week. So currently, as you can see on the indicators, Nifty is highly bullish. RSI is trading somewhere near 78, 78, and Aron is highly bullish. It's in extreme bullish zones when Aron is above 70, green is above 70, red is below 30. This is extreme bullish zone. We have pretty much big gaps here, 1 2 3, right? And in last week we said that we could face resistance between 16,000, what is this level, 17,400 to 17,650 levels. So currently one level, as per the price action, you could say we should watch for the horizontal resistance at 17,650, right? So this is one of the resistance that we need to watch for. So multiple touch points are there in these in this trend line. So this is a good resistance. So if Nifty crosses this 17,650, we could head higher towards 17,000. What is this number? Somewhere near 17,800. We could face the next resistance, but the resistance, next resistance, yeah, after that nearly 18,000 is the next resistance. That's what you can say from the indicators and uh, price action. Even you can see here all the short term and medium term or long term moving averages are trading well below the price. That is a bullish signal. Even 13 EMA is currently at 17,139. It didn't touch here. We talked that it could touch here and then could bounce back after consolidation. That didn't happen. Let's talk about that in a moment. So yeah, in, I don't have exact, I think I didn't save the last image. Let me switch to the other chart. So yeah, this was the chart that we discussed on 24th of July, where we mentioned that Nifty could be making ABC zigzag correction towards 17,625. If it goes beyond this, we have to think of something else, or our analysis could be going wrong. Okay, so most probably it will cross this level. So we'll try to find out what is the next level. Uh, okay, that's when I say that. So here, when I plot 200% of extension, I get next level as 18,042. So if this is crossed, let's say 17,650, something is crossed, that resistance is crossed, we could head straight towards 18,000, 18,040. That is the next level. I would still go with the bearish wave count, or I will change this wave count only when 18,114 is broken. It's still, there is a still chance, if it's a zigzag correction it can still go deeper, or even if it's a flat correction it can still go deeper. Up to 18,114 is anything, for any number is possible. So yeah, I'll stick with that. Once this is broken, all the hopes of fall will be over, and we could have to then we have to think of bullish counts. Then we have to consider this as 1 2, and then there will be 3 and 4 waves. So this will become 1, this will become 2, and wave 3 will head higher, even higher than this. Then fourth will come, and then fifth. So this will be a bigger rally in that case. the rally will be more deeper, going on the upside, breaking even 18,600. That's our all-time high, right? So this was our wave count. I'm going to change this a little. uh, just remember that we were taking this as a W, X, Y, XX, and Z wave. I'm going to change this to more suitable wave count of larger degree of daily chart, where I'm going to consider a little bit different picture here. So let me go to the chart. So this is the chart, right? So this is the chart. Okay, so what I'm considering here is, this is 3-3 wave, a leading diagonal pattern, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, where internally it has 3-3 moves, 1, 2. Here it has violated the top of wave 1. So this is 3, this is 4, and this is 5. Okay, this is one possibility that I can think of other than WXY, XX, and Z, considering uh, the bearish or corrective pattern formed at the bottom here, right? So this is a leading diagonal A wave here, ended here, and then we started a C wave, which will have 1, 2, okay, internally 3, 4, and 5 moves here. Okay, so this is A, B, and C wave, called as W wave. Okay, this is W wave, this is X wave connecting, which was very bullish. After that, this can be called as 1, 2, 3 a a wave, and this can be 1, 2, 3 a B wave, and after that 5 swings will come, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, this will be a wave C. Then this will be W, X, and Y. Okay, this is one way to represent. So currently we are in, you can call it as wave A and wave B. You can even call it as a zigzag correction, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This was not violated. Okay, so this high was not violated. So this can be even a zigzag correction. Zigzag correction suits better here. So in that case, wave A and wave B will be here somewhere near 18,000, you can call it. And after that, we could drop as 5 wave sequence downside. So we will go more deeper, breaking 15,183. So yeah, we are bearish. Why we are bearish? Because of this move. This move is not looking a bullish move. And yeah, we can be wrong, but we are wrong once it breaks 18,115. So once this level is broken, we are wrong on plotting the wave counts of this entire move. Okay, then we have to change it to bullish wave count or impulse wave count. So yeah, we'll check that later. So for now, just remember that we could be pulling back as a B wave, going towards 18,000, or we are ending somewhere near 17,625. If this is 17,650 is crossed, more 25 to 30 points. If it goes beyond that, we can even assume that it is going towards 18,000. Okay, so now what? Let's check the internal counts. So what we said here is wave A ended here, right? Let me bring the marker. Wave A ended here, B ended here, and wave C is in progress. Internally, it has 1, 2, okay, 3, 4, and 5 moves. Last week we were here on 31st of July. Yeah, on this candle we were there, right? So we mentioned there that 3, 4th, and 5th are pending. 4th wave will be consolidating more. So let me bring that screenshot. So this was the screenshot that we discussed. Here we were saying that third wave is in progress, right? Third wave was in progress, and fourth wave was supposed to be a longer consolidation. That didn't happen. Fourth wave was a smaller consolidation. That's how I am uh, denoting them. Okay, fourth wave 2 was a longer consolidation. Wave fourth was a smaller consolidation. This can happen. And after that, right now we were today I was thinking the fifth is ending diagonal pattern, but looking at global, I think it's going more aggressively up. SGX is almost 200 points or 190 points up. We even said that we are heading towards minimum towards 17,625. Okay, it is going beyond that. So this cannot be then ending diagonal. This is something else. So I'll remove this. So tomorrow it will break this structure because internally it has not completed 5 wave sequence. I cannot call this as a leading diagonal pattern as well, right? So in that case, we have different options here. Okay, we cannot call it as 1, 2, 3, or even this is not a correct representation of a leading diagonal. Okay, so yeah, this is something, some different pattern which we have not able to identify properly. Then yeah, we'll identify it later once we get more price printed on the charts. But anyway, this trend line looks to be at risk, which could be broken in next session. If it opens gap up by 100 odd points and sustains that gap for first 30 minutes, then go with the direction of the trend. We will head higher, even towards 17,700 to 800 levels as well are possible. It's not big points, but 100 points gap up will eventually tell you that 17,650 could be broken at the opening itself. If this is broken, then you should turn more bullish for some more points on the upside. So you should ride that upside rally. Yeah, even I can think here that fifth wave is in progress. Okay, so this is the fifth wave, which is heading higher, breaking even 17,625. When a zigzag breaks by bigger margin of 1.618, we have to think of next numbers. Okay, let me remove these two. So next number is 2.2 and 2.618. Where is that? 2.618. 2.618. 2.618 is very bigger number. So in that case, if it is a bullish count, we will break is 18,600. But yeah, that's something which we have to park aside and should not think any bullish moves until 18,115 is broken. But yeah, for now you can remember that 18,042 is also reachable. Maybe 18,000 it will touch and it can drop even. If it So tomorrow everything depends on tomorrow's move. Just remember that, and just remember the levels I said. 17,650 is, if it's broken, we could head towards 18,000, because then it will turn a little bit more bullish as it has broken the trend line, right? So this trend line could be broken tomorrow. We have to watch that trend line. This is a falling trend line, so we cannot have an exact point here. But tomorrow, at least if it goes beyond 17,000, let's say, what is this? Tomorrow it will open here, probably. Oh, yeah, sorry, here it will open probably here and move beyond 17,750. Then the trend line could be broken. So this is how the move is happening as per the Elliott wave, and I have changed the wave count. Let me know in the comments what do you think, and if you have a different wave count, or if you are considering a bullish approach on the market. Okay, so that's all on the Elliott wave theory. Let's move and check the option chain. Option chain here clearly you can see here 17,500 was defended today. Three times it went below 17,500. 17,500 went below 17,500 two, three times, but recovered. And then this became the major support now. 60 lakh put writers are present here. So this acts as a major support now as per the option chain. 15% rise in the open interest was seen here. Even you can see here there was a 21% rise in call open interest, and we see 55 lakh call writers present on 17,500. So this is interesting because tomorrow if it opens gap up, they will cover their position, giving more rally to the upside. So first, after opening first 15 to 20 minutes, there could be a jerk action. It can fall down 50 points, and then after that it can recover sharply. So be ready for tomorrow and do not think of bearish moves, because SGX is highly bullish now. And yeah, it's whenever it's more than 150 or 200 points, I prefer to go with the direction of the SGX Nifty, not beyond like if it's just 100 points, it's anyone's game. In 100 points anything can happen, it can even reverse after the opening. So yeah, so tomorrow's gap, if it sustains, then probably 18,000 is coming. That's what we can sense from here. So major support now 17,500, and major resistance would be 18,000. Okay, so 18,000 is a major resistance. As you can see here, there are 79 lakh call writers, which is the highest number on this side. So this is the major resistance, and 17,500 is a major support for tomorrow's expiry. So tomorrow it will play in this range. But yeah, range should shrink in the morning itself. So the range will not be 500 points. It can the second biggest number is this one, 17,800. So 17,800 to 17,500 is a range for tomorrow's expiry. So between this, the Nifty should expire, and I'm expecting it to expire between 17,600 to 17,800, depending on the global market conditions as of now, considering the global market conditions. So that's all. That was the quick update. I will not be editing much on this video. So we'll see you tomorrow. We'll create a short video on Nifty's next move for the Friday session. So do hit the like button, add the comments. Since there is a gap, I would expect the gap in drop in the views. But yeah, if you keep supporting us, we'll continue to bring the content. And yeah, I could not connect or could not create videos in last two sessions because of the family function. So hope you understand. See you next Friday. Bye bye.